NutriLeads, and this year at Vitafoods we're presenting Benicaros, our recently introduced product in the European market. Benicaros is a precision prebiotic fiber, and it's very unique in the sense that it has a dual mode of action. So it's not only beneficial for gut health but also for immune health. With precision prebiotic, I mean it has a specific structure that feeds only certain beneficial bacterial families in the gut microbiome that are present in almost all humans. That means the effects of the precision prebiotic are very consistent and good for every type of gut. Next to that, it trains the innate immune system to respond faster, smarter and stronger in the event of infection with a cold. We've got clinical evidence showing that the symptoms of the cold are reduced and the duration of the cold is also reduced, and we have clinical evidence proving our precision modulation, gut modulation benefits. Next to that, it's a very low dose fiber, as low as 300 milligrams daily serving size, and it's highly soluble, pH stable and heat stable, so it can be applied to a very broad range of applications. And as a carrot on the top, it's also plant-based and upcycled.
At Vitafoods 2024, we are trying to promote the yeast protein Angel Pro. Our Angel has developed this new kind of non-animal protein sources. It's totally fermented and natural. It's clean label. It has a characteristic of 80% of the protein content. The protein digested corrected the amino acid score is equal to 1.0, and well, it has a branch chain amino acids over 21%. It can be applied in various kind of foods, for example the protein powder, protein bar for sports nutrition. Also it can be applied in bakery products, plant-based meat and so on. So let's come and have a try of this new protein source.
Hello, welcome at Vitafoods. This year Nexira is launching a new product called Inavea Cinnamon and Acacia. It's actually a combination of acacia fiber, prebiotic acacia fiber, and cinnamon extract standardized to polyphenol. This blend has a synergistic activity. We have demonstrated the modulation of the microbiome, and in an in vivo study we have demonstrated also the modulation of glycemia and insulinemia level. So that's the new addition in the range Inavea, organic and carbon neutral. And the Inavea was also finalist at the NutriIngredients Award this year in the category Sustainability Initiative. So two news for Nexira: the new blend Inavea Cinnamon and Acacia, and finalist at the NutriIngredients Awards.
Hi, we're excited to be here in Geneva at Vitafoods 2024. Welcome to Carbery. Today we are showcasing our heat-stable OptiPep RTD ingredient range. It's a hydrolyzed whey protein ingredient range which offers it's easily digestible, better and faster absorption and improved tolerance as well. So Emer, would you like to talk through our applications today?
Great. So our range of OptiPep RTD, which is ready to drink, hydrolyzed whey proteins, are designed for use in neutral pH, oral nutritional supplements for the clinical nutrition market, for example, or equally for use in high protein functional beverages for the performance and active nutrition market. This ingredient is able to deliver up to 15% protein in neutral pH beverages, with all the benefits of enhanced absorption, easier digestion and improved intolerance. It's highly heat stable, so it can withstand UHT, pasteurization and sterilization temperatures. So we work very closely with our customers depending on their desired protein target and their processing conditions that they use in their manufacturing plants.
Yeah, and I guess we're leveraging our expertise from our experience in the infant nutrition space and the sports nutrition space. So this clinical space is more of a focus for us going forward.
OptiPep RTD, used in oral nutritional supplements, helps support the dietary management of patients with or at risk of malnutrition or who need increased protein and energy requirements due to underlying medical conditions.